revise and extend.
Without objection, the gentlewoman is recognized for 1 minute.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the Supreme Court will soon hear oral arguments in the case commonly referred to as Hobby Lobby versus Sebelius. The outcome of this case will determine whether or not a for-profit company has the right to limit a female employee's access to health care under the guise of religious freedom. Already, the Supreme Court has wrongly declared that corporations have a right to freedom of speech, as determined in the case of Citizens United. In just a few short years, this ruling has led to a flood of undisclosed money into our elections and corrupted our political system. Corporations' latest attempts to secure the constitutionally protected rights of citizens is equally as dangerous. Only a living, breathing woman should have the right to decide how and when she wants to have a family. And regardless of her decision, that choice belongs to her and not to the corporation for which she works. Millions of women depend upon birth control pills for reasons beyond preventing unintended pregnancies, including a 13-year-old girl in my district who would rather be in her classroom learning, but spends lots of time in a doctor's office trying to control uncontrollable bleeding. Yet, through no fault of her own, she finds herself at the doctor's office often, and then just recently had to have a blood transfusion. Now, this young woman relies upon birth control medication to control her bleeding, the medication that her family can only afford because her mother's access to contraceptive care is not violated by her employer. If the Supreme Court once again interprets our federal laws to grant citizens freedoms to a corporation, they will directly threaten the rights of this young girl and millions of women around the country. We cannot allow that